friends, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing the letter R, and you can do this worksheet with me. If you scan this QR code or click the link below, you'll be brought to my website where you can print this worksheet for free and do it alongside me now. We are going to be looking for uppercase R's, lowercase r's, and looking for objects that start with the R sound. All you will need for the worksheet is something to write with and something to color with. The first part of this worksheet is writing your name in the name spot. My name is Miss Happy. What is your name? It's great to see you today. You can write your name in the name spot. Did you finish writing your name in the name spot? I wrote Miss Happy. Great job! Now we are looking for uppercase R letters in bubble number 1. Let me show you what an uppercase R looks like. Can you say R with me? R! Here is an uppercase R. It's a straight line down, and then you go back to the top and make a curve, and then you make a line diagonal down. That is an uppercase R. And we are looking for uppercase R's in bubble number 1. Now I'm going to zoom in on bubble number 1 and use my pointer to point to the letters. And when you see an R, just say R and we will color that square in. Okay, tell me when my pointer has reached a letter R. Did you say R here? Yes, you can color this square in any color you wish. I chose the color orange. What color did you choose? Great job! Now let's look at this letter. Is that also an uppercase R? It is, so we're going to color in this square too. Great, we are going to stay in bubble number 1, and now let's look at the second row and see if we can find any more uppercase R's. Just say R when my pointer reaches a letter R. Did you say R? Yes, you can color in this square now. This is an uppercase R. Let's keep looking in row number 2. Here is another uppercase R at the very end, so you can color this square in too. Great job! So we colored in this uppercase R, this one, and then in the second row we did this one and this one. We found 4 uppercase R's in the first bubble. Now we are looking at bubble number 2. And here we are looking for lowercase r's. Let me show you what a lowercase r looks like. Here's a lowercase r. It's a straight line down, and then at the top, you do a curve to the right. That is a lowercase r. And we are looking for lowercase r's in the second bubble. Now I'm going to zoom in to the second bubble and use my pointer. And again, when my pointer reaches a letter R, just say R and we will color it in. Did you say R? Yes, this is a lowercase r. So you can color this square in now. Did you color this square? Great job. Let's keep looking for another lowercase r. Here's another lowercase r. you can color this square in too. Great job! So we found 2 lowercase r's in this first row. So let's look in the second row and see if we can find any more lowercase r's. Did you say R? Yes, you are right. This is a lowercase r, so you can color this square in now. Great job! Let's keep looking and see if we can find another lowercase r. Here's a lowercase r. Let's color this one in. So we found 4 r's, 2 in the top row and 2 in the bottom row. Now we are moving on to bubble number 3, and we are looking for objects that start with the R sound. Do you know what sound the letter R makes? It makes the sound er. Say with me, and something will appear that starts with that sound. Er. What appeared? Do you know what this is a picture of? This is a rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with the R sound. So now let's see if any of these objects also start with the R sound. The first object is a rainbow. Rainbow. Does that start with the R sound? It does, so you can circle the rainbow. The next object is a balloon. Balloon. Does that start with the R sound? It does not, so we're not going to circle the balloon. How about backpack? Backpack. Does that start with the R sound? It does not, so we're not going to circle the backpack. The last picture is a robot. Robot. Does that start with the R sound? It does, so we're going to circle the robot. So we found 2 objects that start with the R sound. Rainbow, and robot. And this was our first picture, rabbit. Those all start with the R sound. We finished the entire worksheet. Great work today. And remember, you can visit any of my other videos for more learning fun. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Happy learning. Bye.